Automobile, a channel of YouTube on which we discuss about each and every part of an automobile. So in order to that, today we are going to discuss about an interesting topic, overdrive. So if you want to learn about the overdrive, please sit back, relax and watch our video till the very end. So guys, our today's topic is overdrive. As the name suggests, overdrive means move faster. Basically, the overdrive helps the propeller shaft to rotate faster than the engine in the transmission. Actually, first of all, where the overdrive is situated. So overdrive is situated after the gearbox. It directly couples to the main shaft of the gearbox. So the overdrive is used for the transmission, in which first of all engine power is transmitted to the clutch, then transmitted to the gearbox, and then it transmits to the overdrive, and then retarder, and then propeller shaft, then differential, then both the axles. So basically, how the overdrive works. The basic component of the overdrive are a combination of sun and planetary gearbox. The input shaft, which is the main shaft of the gearbox, and the output shaft as the propeller shaft. Inside of this case, a mixture of the sun and planetary gear is present, like here. This one is the front view and the open view of this chamber. Here 3 gears are present. First one is an annulus or a ring gear, which is the outer gear of the gear set, and after that the planetary gears are present. There are the 3 planetary gears, and these planetary gears are fixed with the help of this carrier. This carrier is a plate through which these planet gears are attached, and finally a sun gear. So this one is a sun gear on which the planetary and the carrier and annulus gears are fixed. There are 4 cases are possible. First case is the ring fixed, means this ring gear or the annulus gear is fixed, means sun and planetary are rotate but the annulus gear is stationary. Second case, planet fixed, means these 3 planetary gears are fixed and means sun and annulus gear are rotate. After that, third case is a sun fixed, means the sun gear is stationary and planet and annulus gear are rotate about the sun gear. And in the fourth case, which is direct coupling, the annulus gear, planet gear and the sun gear are become a single unit and rotate about the main shaft. With the help of these cases, the speed of the main shaft will increase and then transmit to the propeller shaft. The overdrive can be operated by the electrically, hydraulically, pneumatically or hydropneumatically or manually. Basically, the overdrive is called a high speed gear, means the basic gears are called low speed gear and the overdrive gears are called the high speed gear, on which engine speed is increased by the 20 to 25%, and with the help of the overdrive, fuel economy is very high. Actually, it provides higher top gear ratio to provide greater fuel economy. With this, engine wear and tear is also reduced because with the help of overdrive, engine can produce less power, and also engine efficiency will be high. The overdrive is basically used in the racing cars and STVs to propel more than the engine speed. Thanks for watching, guys, our channel RJ Automobile. If you like our videos, please share with your friends and give us a big fat thumbs up. And feel free to subscribe our videos, means here below the red button, means press the bell icon. Okay guys, see you till the next week on every Wednesday. Bye bye.